Now that we understand what Agile is and why it's important, let's talk about the foundation of Agile, the Agile Manifesto. The Agile Manifesto is not a strict rulebook. It's more like a guiding set of ideas, a philosophy that helps Agile teams decide how to think, work, and collaborate. It was created back in 2001 by a group of software developers who wanted a better, faster, and more flexible way to deliver software. They wanted to shift away from heavy, slow processes and focus on working in a way that adapts to change and delivers value. The Agile Manifesto is built around 4 key values that shape the way Agile teams work. Let's go through each one. First one, individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Processes and tools are important, but Agile puts people first. The success of a project depends more on how the team communicates, collaborates, and solves problems together than on the tools or processes they use. This means building trust, encouraging open communication, and focusing on teamwork. Agile teams adapt processes to fit the team and the project, instead of following rules blindly. 2. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Traditional approaches often put heavy emphasis on documentation before starting work. Agile flips this idea. The main goal is to deliver working software that actually provides value to customers. Documentation still exists in Agile, but only enough to support development and communication. The priority is delivering something that works, so it can be tested, used, and improved. 3. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Agile values working with customers throughout the project. It's not about agreeing on all requirements at the start and sticking to them rigidly. Instead, Agile encourages ongoing collaboration, regular feedback, discussions, and adjustments. This way, the product evolves to meet real needs, not just what was written in a contract at the beginning. 4. Responding to change over following a plan. Traditional methods usually resist change once the plan is set. Agile sees change as a normal part of the process. Requirements, priorities, and environments can change, and Agile teams design their work to adapt quickly. The goal is to deliver real value, even if it means changing direction along the way. These 4 values are supported by 12 principles that give practical guidance for Agile teams. They focus on delivering value early and continuously, welcoming changing requirements, even late in development, frequently delivering working software, collaborating closely between business stakeholders and developers, building projects around motivated individuals, encouraging face-to-face communication, using working software as the main measure of progress, maintaining a sustainable pace of development, continuously focusing on technical excellence, keeping things simple, maximizing the amount of work not done, encouraging self-organizing teams, regularly reflecting and adjusting to improve. These values and principles are at the heart of Agile. They change the focus from rigid plans to flexible collaboration, from heavy documentation to valuable working software, and from fixed contracts to ongoing engagement with the customer. Understanding the Agile Manifesto is key, because it is the philosophy that drives all Agile frameworks, including Scrum. In the next section, we will look at the different types of Agile frameworks.